Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a review on the brand new Morphe matte setting mist. I do use the original setting mist. It's a radiant finish, but honestly this gives my face a great finish. It doesn't leave me super dewy, it doesn't leave me super dry, so I really do like that face mist. But I wanted to try this one out to see if it really does keep your face matte like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. That one's bomb. I already prepped my face with primer and I already applied my setting powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face like I normally do, fast forward through that, and then just apply this and take you on throughout my day. It is currently 10:25. I was supposed to be done 30 minutes ago, so I need to do this really quick, so we're just gonna get started. Okay, so I just applied my lip liner. I'm gonna apply lip gloss, but it's in my purse, so I'm gonna just apply it while I'm going out the door. And I finished my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up and just set my face. That was intense. Whoa. Whoa! Holy cow, like you don't see a single drop of spray. That's so interesting. Like I can feel it on my face, but it looks matte. Ooh, that's so cool. Hold on. That's so interesting. I wonder if it sprays like a powder. Yeah, if you put it too close, it hits you really weird. So it is 10:49 right now, 10:50. I'm going to go pick up my grandma. We're gonna go grocery shopping, probably go eat. I will update you guys midday because I also am going to Ulta later with my aunt. And I have a full day planned out. I was supposed to get a video up yesterday. However, it's missing a big chunk, so I'm not gonna be able to do that until like later on in the day. But I'm gonna get a video up by today. Today's Wednesday, and I really wanted to be posting Tuesday, Thursday. So I probably will still upload or try to upload tomorrow. We'll just see how that goes. But so far, thoughts, wait. Oh, there's a little bit of white spots. I think the more I apply it, the more I get these like it's not a lot. It's like literally 3 spots. You can see right here. I feel like there is powder in here or something. It came right off. Okay, there's no issues with that. That is cool. If you're looking for a matte, I feel like my face is like too matte, you know? Like I like some dewiness to my face even though I have oily skin. So I'm gonna head out the door and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it is currently 1:16 in the afternoon. We'll just say 1:20 is my check-in, and I just finished taking my aunt some food. My grandma and I went grocery shopping. Right after, I was like, I'm gonna take my aunt some food because she's a teacher. She usually doesn't eat during the day, which is weird to me, so I like to bring her food every now and then. So I took her some food and I ate with her for a minute, and it is now 1. My face is still matte. It is not clumping anywhere. You can still see my acne scarring peeking through. I didn't really try to give full coverage today. I just wanted something like basic. There's no oiliness going on around the nose. Typically I'll get oily around here. I don't see anything. It is looking good. So I'm gonna check in maybe like about 4 hours or so and then go from there. We can do maybe 2 hours, but I've been out and about these last couple of hours, going to be at home for majority of the day now. I'm going to film something else, and I am going to go to Ulta at 5:30. So I'll check in right before we go to Ulta, and then I guess I'll check in like at the end of the day. All right, I will check in with you guys in a little bit. I literally have not had to touch up my makeup today. I look completely different because I also filmed another video. The only thing I had to touch up was right here because I applied this lipstick for a different video and it got all over my chin right here, so I had to put on more foundation. But besides that, you can see from my face kind of like how it wears through the day, and it's still matte. Like, my face is a little dry because I need to exfoliate. Yeah, I typically would be oily around here, and you can kind of see right here, I did get a bit oily. You can see that my eyebrow came off a little bit because of the oil. And you can kind of see some oil right here. Besides that, the rest of my face looks like matte. It pretty much to me looks the same as the morning. If you cannot tell, my makeup is like fucked today. Like, I haven't done eyeliner in so long and you can really tell. Overall, is this product worth your money? Yes, it definitely is. If you guys have oily skin, this will definitely keep you mattified throughout the day. I was really surprised that it immediately went on matte because I'm so used to like mattifying sprays to go on like dewy, and then once it dries, okay, then I, become matte. But it was automatically matte, which was so intriguing to me. I wonder if like on a day where I don't want it to be oily, if I can just spray this on my face and call it a day if I don't want to apply makeup, But this is me, no powdering. I forgot to mention it is 11:47 p.m. It's almost midnight, so I've had this on for almost a full, no, I've had this on for 12 hours. And the only thing I had to touch up with again was my chin because I got lipstick all over it, and before that it was great. So go pick this up if you have oily skin and you want to stay matte. This is going to be your best friend. The continuous setting mist is great, but again, if you do have oily skin, this is going to be your best friend. So I would definitely go pick it up. I'm just really shocked. So yeah. And I am going to get ready for bed now and go to sleep. I might edit, so we'll see. I don't know. But I will talk to you guys in my next one, and I love you guys so much. Bye.